Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to enable the TikTok call option. Get the new call feature 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your TikTok apps. Now tap on inbox. TikTok call option not showing. Don't worry, I show you how to enable it. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your TikTok apps. Now tap on search bar and search for TikTok apps. Now tap on TikTok apps. Now tap on update. It's updating, please wait a moment. It's been updated. Now open your TikTok apps. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on three dot icon in the corner. Now tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down. Now tap on help center. Now tap on report a problem. Scroll down. Now tap on need more help. Now tap on other. Now type your problem here. Hello TikTok support team. The call option is not showing in my TikTok account after the latest update. Please help me enable this feature. Thank you. You can use the format I provided in this video. Now tap on submit. It may take 1 day, 2 days or longer to activate the TikTok call option. The TikTok team will contact you if needed.